I'll be showing you 3 different ways in which you can create FOMO, or the fear of missing out on your Shopify store. I think you'll really like number 2, so make sure you stay until the end here. So first off, let's go over why you should be putting FOMO, or fear of missing out, on your Shopify store. And the main reason is that it's going to help increase your conversion rate, as it's going to force people to make decisions quickly. As if this product's not going to be available tomorrow, you might decide to purchase it now, but if there's no sense of FOMO, you might wait a few weeks, 2 weeks, and then you might just not ever go and actually purchase the product. There's also the fact that humans really hate missing out on stuff, so it's going to increase their desire for your product. So now let's dive into the methods. The first method is to have a sales pop-up app installed on your Shopify store. So what this app is going to do is going to show other customers that there are indeed other people shopping on your online store. And this is going to mimic real life. If you're walking through a mall or you're walking on the street and you say a lot of people lined up for something, you're going to think to yourself, what are they selling? Is there a sale? Should I go check it out? Whatever they're doing must be really cool, or why else would people be lining up? And so this sales pop-up is just going to show up on your store, and it's going to say, hey, so-and-so just purchased something, or so-and-so is visiting your store. And this works really well when it's combined with a low stock countdown. So let's say you're doing a limited supply drop where there are 10 units remaining. And if you're looking at the product and then on your screen are tons of pop-ups of other people purchasing the product, you might think to yourself, I really have to get this now or I'm going to miss out on this stocking. So as mentioned, there are quite a few apps on the Shopify App Store that do this. Now, I don't have any affiliation with these apps. These are just the 2 most recommended ones when I searched for it in the Shopify App Store. But essentially, it's going to be a pop-up. You can customize the colors, and it's going to tell whoever is visiting your site who else is purchasing stuff. So overall, most of these apps do a similar function. It's just going to depend on the pricing and the exact features you're looking for. But this one has different themes such as Christmas pop-ups. And it's just going to show a little photo as well for most of these apps saying, someone in New York just bought the Reebok CrossFit speed shoe, show a photo of the product, and it's going to have a label saying how long ago this was. The second method is going to be countdown timers. So these are going to indicate sales or limited time offers, and it's going to encourage people to act now so they don't miss out. This could be something like there's a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal expiring in 46 hours, so make sure you buy your products before then. People tend to put countdown timers just on everywhere they can to increase sense of scarcity. You can have them on your product pages. I've seen them on the cart pages, the checkout pages. For the cart and checkout, it might be your cart is reserved for 15 minutes. So make sure you check out now or you're going to lose your guaranteed lock on this stock. This happens on sites that sell tickets, saying your guaranteed ticket price and seats are going to be here for 10 more minutes, but make sure you get this now or you're going to miss out. Again, I found 2 of the top apps on the Shopify App Store. One is Essential Countdown Timer Bar. It just makes it easy to add these countdown timers to things such as your product pages, and there's no coding required for editing titles or the timers. Same for Tic-Tac-Toe. It's a completely free Shopify app, but it makes it easy just to add it on any of your pages just to increase that sense of scarcity. Now to note, you can do countdown timers with JavaScript. I have a video on my channel as well if you don't want to use an app specifically. The third way is to use a stock countdown. So as mentioned, this works really well with things such as a sales pop-up, and it's just going to show how much inventory is available. Sites such as Amazon use this all the time, and they'll say things like there are 2 or 3 items left in stock, so make sure you grab it now before you miss out. A popular app for this on the Shopify App Store is Hey Scarcity, low stock counter. So it's just going to add an emoji, and it's going to be tied to your inventory, and it's going to display this message depending on how many are left in stock. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. That's going to let you do one-click profit calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including all your ad spend from your various ad platforms, your cost of goods sold, your transaction fees, and much more. It's going to give you detailed analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions and understand your store's true performance. You can find this app in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the listing directly. It includes a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. So make sure you check it out. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to create FOMO on your Shopify store. We went over 3 different methods. let me know which one you're planning to apply on your store. If this video helped at all, make sure you like and subscribe below as that really helps the channel out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.